Doge broke a major support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Our Telegram channel has been absolutely killing it with our trade setups, as well as the fact that we have been analyzing a ton of short-term positions that you guys can take, so make sure to check out the link. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Doge, we have officially broken the 0.07 support level, which of course I mentioned to you guys multiple times in yesterday's video. The fact that this level has been tested multiple times means that we end up breaking that support. You guys already know the more times that level was tested, the higher chances of it actually ending up breaking, and that's exactly what we saw across the cryptocurrency market today, where a ton of altcoins lost their daily supports and we ended up seeing a massive capitulation zone. Now, of course, the question becomes is whether or not this is a good buy opportunity, and I do want to go ahead and explain a few things to you guys. Number one, of course, being the fact that as you can see on Doge, we are heading into our next overall target from the bearish case scenario at 0.057. For those of you that have been watching my videos for a very long time, you guys know that this has been my bearish target for a very long time. The reason why I say that is, of course, looking at previous price analysis on the daily time frame, you'll notice that this level did end up holding quite well before we saw that massive run up on Doge. Now, assuming we do end up retesting 0.057, I would be very careful looking for that buy opportunity, because the problem is the fact that we've seen so many retests on this level. If we do end up breaking below this area of support, our next target, of course, in worst extreme conditions, remains at 0.043. Now, I want to go ahead and explain to you guys why this level, of course, is a little bit better in terms of a buy opportunity than the current market conditions we are seeing. Looking at previous price analysis before Doge went absolutely parabolic, you'll notice that we tested this level not only as support but also as resistance. Since then, of course, we saw a absolutely crazy move on Doge. This was, of course, the bull run where we ended up seeing that opportunity. But now the question remains, of course, is whether or not we will end up holding this level and then seeing a stronger continuation. This, of course, is a very nice support level because of the fact that it does hold quite a bit of weight. And this is the area of opportunity I'm looking to buy Doge at, because looking at previous price analysis, we have already tested 0.057. Now, assuming tomorrow with NFP and we do see another cascade event, we have to be very careful looking for buys into a falling knife, which I have warned you guys about so many times. For those of you in the Telegram, you guys have made an insane profit from these shorting opportunities, but now is not the time to be looking for more trades. Now is the time to be patient. This is one of those situations where you don't want to be entering anything, because not only are on the daily are we in extreme oversold conditions on Doge, but as well as the fact that you'll notice that these daily supports are acting as magnets. You don't want to try to get caught in between trying to guess where exactly Doge is heading. So this is why I'm mentioning to pay attention once these targets are met. Assuming the daily candle opens and we do see a stronger continuation to the upside, our overall target that we have to try to break above remains on these exponential moving averages here at 0.075 as well as a 0.077. If we do end up somehow overcoming these levels and using them as support, then we can classify this as a decent buy opportunity. But until then, not only on the 4-hour but even on the hourly, you are seeing a massive dump opportunity happening right now. You can see from yesterday's video on the hourly, I mentioned that although we are holding support, the number one indicator that we have to pay attention to is our exponential moving averages. You can see that we did see that retest opportunity in terms of previous support as now new resistance. We got the perfect retest and then a stronger continuation. But as you guys already know, the more times a support level is tested, the higher chances of it actually breaking. This is a perfect example of how that happened on the hourly. And if you did catch that trade opportunity, this was the area that you entered that short, and this was the insane profit that you could have made. Now, of course, for those of you in the Telegram, you guys were already on top of it, but for the next time, for those of you that are watching the video and you want to try to catch these movesets, pay very close attention to the 4-hour and daily. This was a very easy trade. You can see from 0.75, once we broke that level and retested it as resistance, that's the confirmation you want to look for. Of course, this was an extreme case of a cascade event, but even from this target to this target, this was still a very nice gain opportunity. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $300-$600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and hope you guys have a wonderful day.